What if your body could heal itself? With the help of your cells. Stem cells are the body's raw materials, cells that can transform and repair damaged tissue. They've been used for decades to treat leukemia, lymphoma, and blood disorders. In joints and bones, stem cells reduce inflammation and rebuild cartilage. Emerging research shows for spinal cord injuries, Parkinson's, and stroke recovery. In autoimmune diseases like multiple sclerosis and type 1 diabetes, stem cells can help retrain the immune system. In eye diseases like retinitis pigmentosa, glaucoma, and optic nerve, stem cells can help to recover. While some uses are proven, others are still being studied in clinical trials around the world. Curious if stem cells could help you? Talk to a regenerative medicine specialist today.